What's up, guys? I hope you're having a good day. We're looking at the Fositan LED video light panels. These are 16,500 lux, 200 SMD LEDs. 100 of those are yellow, 100 of those are white. So it's a bicolor LED. You can adjust between 13 different levels of color temperature between 3200K and 5600K. It runs off of a wall adapter, or you can run it off of 1 or 2 NP batteries, the NP like 970s. You can put 2 of them on there and get double the runtime, or you can use the wall adapter. I like that you have 2 different options. The housing is aluminum. However, the sides are made of plastic, so I don't know why they didn't just keep that aluminum construction over the whole thing. On the back, you do have a LED screen, and it will just show the color temperature along with the power output. But it also has a battery indicator, so if you're using batteries on this, you're running low, you'll be able to know. This does have a U-shaped bracket. I really do like the U-shaped brackets. I like to use them with my monitors as well, and it's just a real nice bracket. You can even, set them down on, a flat surface and just prop them up that way, use them as like a fill light. So definitely a fan of that. They do include a stand. It is a cheaper stand, it's about bottom of the barrel kind of stands, and it will hold up the light just fine. The light's not very heavy, but if you get some heavier, like 2 NP batteries up there and there's a lot of movement going around, the stand's probably going to fall over, but it will do. It does come with a diffuser. If you have just the straight LEDs showing, you'll probably get a lot of different weird lighting, but you put the diffuser on there, just makes it a little bit softer. And you might even want to buy like another diffuser to diffuse more light if you need to. So one of my first lights I got was like one of the NEEWER lights. It's just a smaller, runs off an NP battery. So I'm just going to compare the NEEWER lights to this one. And then I have some bigger lights, some Studio Pro lights. One of those lights each is like $200 compared to this one. The Fositan, which is like $60. If you just buy the single light, $60. Otherwise, it's like $120 for 2 of them. And they're pretty nice lights. And the fact that they run off of a power cord, that's pretty nice too. And it's included. It is a shorter power cord, but you get an extension cord or whatever, it'll do the trick. So I'll put those comparisons up there on the screen and just show you a couple more samples of what you can expect from this light. I'll put a link in the description, and that's that. Thanks for watching.